We get questions a lot when our clients or potential clients have been severely injured because their employer took a safety guard off of a saw, because they sped up the line to meet production, because they put heavier packages on a cart that wound up collapsing on the client's foot and crushed it. And so the question becomes, what else can I do as an injured worker besides file a claim for workers' compensation? And the unfortunate part is not much in terms of against your employer. The gross negligence that one would argue that somebody has done at your employer, whether it was your lead person, your line leader, your supervisor's boss who needs to meet production to look good, you have the exclusive remedy, it's called an exclusive remedy, to file a workers' compensation claim against your employer. And that is what you have to go after. You've got to go after your weekly benefit checks, you've got to go after the medical care, and you've got to go after the permanent impairment rating under the Georgia Workers' Compensation Act. It's not something that you can do to file a personal injury claim against your employer or your coworker who didn't help lift. I had an ambulance EMT worker whose coworker didn't lift their side of the stretcher, and my client blew out her back. And she wanted to sue her co-employee. You didn't do what you were supposed to do. Can't do it. Now, if you are working in a particular place and there is say a product manufacturing liability, where something, I had a client of mine who was working in a plant and is, working on a particular piece of equipment, and that equipment failed. Okay, the legs came off of the cart that he was pulling heavy bricks with. We can look at that to see if there is a product liability claim there, where that cart was supposed to be able to haul 1,000 pounds, and you had 1,000 pounds on it, but the legs gave out, the wheels gave out and crushed him. That's a potential third-party claim against the manufacturer of that cart. But if it's your employer who has not done what they were supposed to do in preventing those injuries, then you're going to have a hard time pursuing any sort of third-party claim. Like the employer said, stack 1,200 pounds on it. Well, I can't. It says 1,000. Do it. Not much you can do about that. So let's talk about the facts of your case, see if there's any way that we can look at a potential third-party case, if it's applicable, and also pursue the workers' compensation claim for you. We handle product liability cases, we handle third-party personal injury cases, and of course, workers' comp cases. I'm happy to speak with you. I'm at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jody, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me